Effective home remedies for hernia. A hiatal hernia is a condition in which a small part of the stomach protrudes through an opening in the diaphragm into the chest cavity. The diaphragm is the sheet of muscle that divides the chest from the abdomen. Hiatal hernias are most common in people who are 50 or older and obese. The exact cause of hiatal hernias is still unknown, but weak supportive tissues can be a leading factor. Other factors include pressure on the stomach and surrounding muscles, age-related changes in the diaphragm, and being born with an unusually large hiatus opening in the diaphragm. Poor posture while sitting, lifting heavy objects, obesity, excessive smoking and too much stress in life will also put you at higher risk. A small hiatal hernia rarely causes signs or symptoms. However, a large hiatal hernia can cause symptoms like heartburn, chest pain, difficulty swallowing, abdominal pain, fatigue, frequent belching and feeling especially full after meals. Along with medicines, lifestyle and dietary changes as well as simple home remedies can help relieve the symptoms of a hiatal hernia. A small number of cases may require surgery. Baking soda. Baking soda is a natural antacid. It can provide quick relief from heartburn, the most common symptom of hiatal hernias. Mix half teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water. Drink it immediately. Repeat as needed, but avoid drinking this solution in excess. Note: avoid this remedy if you have high blood pressure. Ginger root. When it comes to reducing abdominal pain and soothing inflammatory conditions, few things are as effective as ginger root. You can consume this remedy in liquid form through concentrated ginger juice, or you can eat raw ginger to give your stomach a healthy boost and reduce much of the pain and discomfort of this condition. It can specifically protect the stomach and esophagus from the buildup of gastric juices, which can happen in the case of a hernia. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is one of the best natural treatments for digestive problems caused by a hiatal hernia. It soothes the inner lining of the intestines and reduces abdomen pain. It also controls heartburn by reducing inflammation. Drink a quarter cup of aloe vera juice about 20 minutes before eating a meal. Note: do not use more than 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel to make the juice. It may cause diarrhea. Change your diet. When suffering from a hiatal hernia, it is important to keep a close eye on your diet. Keep 2 goals in mind. Avoid foods that trigger or worsen the symptoms, and lose weight, which will lessen the pressure on your stomach. Avoid foods that trigger heartburn, such as chocolate, caffeine, onions, garlic, spicy foods, fried foods, citrus fruits and tomato-based foods. Follow a diet rich in fruits and vegetables. You can also have lean meats but avoid spicy seasonings. Eat healthy fats, such as olive oil and nuts, to balance your diet. Include whole grain foods in your diet. Castor seed oil. Throughout history, castor oil has been used for a wide variety of stomach health concerns, as it can coat the stomach in a thin lining, thus preventing inflammation and encouraging proper digestion. You can prepare a castor seed oil pack and place it on the stomach to soothe the painful symptoms of a hernia. Cinnamon. This popular spice helps calm and soothe the stomach. It can relieve abdominal pain and bloating, especially after eating a meal. It also works as a natural antacid. Add half teaspoon of cinnamon powder to a cup of hot water. Cover and steep for a few minutes. Drink this tea while it is still warm, 2 or 3 times a day. In addition, include cinnamon in your cooking. Slippery elm. This herb is another effective remedy for a hiatal hernia. It helps reduce stomach acidity and alleviate heartburn. In addition, slippery elm has soothing and anti-inflammatory effects on the body. Mix 1 tablespoon of powdered slippery elm bark in 1 cup of hot water. Let it steep for about 10 minutes. Drink it twice a day, especially after eating your meals. Lose weight. Obesity is a major risk factor for hernias, and it can also slow down the healing process after developing one of these painful conditions. If you lose weight, your body will be under less physical strain, your posture will be improved and the symptoms may disappear naturally. You should also eat smaller meals, as this will put less pressure on the stomach and sphincter. Chamomile. Chamomile, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, is a natural remedy for hiatal hernias. It can soothe an aching stomach, Treat heartburn and relax the muscles in the digestive tract. Mix 1 teaspoon of dried chamomile in a cup of hot water. Cover and steep for 5 minutes. Strain and add honey, according to your taste. Slowly sip a cup of chamomile tea up to 4 times a day, especially between meals. Vegetable juice. One of the simplest and most effective remedies for a hernia is a glass of vegetable juice, particularly one made with carrots, spinach, onions, broccoli and kale. The dense nutrients and anti-inflammatory nature of many vegetables can soothe the burning and painful symptoms of hernias, and can speed the healing process in the abdominal cavity. Adding a bit of salt to the vegetable juice is a great way to improve its effects. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is an excellent remedy to reduce symptoms like heartburn and acidity due to a hiatal hernia. Though acidic in nature, apple cider vinegar produces an alkaline effect in the body. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar to a glass of warm water. Sip it slowly before meals. Do this whenever you have heartburn or acidity. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. For more health tips, subscribe this channel.